Loreto.
This year we have seen a slight increase compared with last year. We have more of our girls doing their examinations under hardships in hospitals because most of them would be doing them from there because they have just delivered, they have been rushed to hospital, and the number has gone up. That is what I can confirm to you, that compared with 2023, 2024 the numbers are slightly higher. And before, I think it will only be fair that when we shall be concluding this exercise, then we shall be able to give you a detailed report on all issues of hardship. The other breakthrough I would want to mention also is that yesterday, one of our biggest scammer who has been conning parents through social media, with a very good work and coordination between our team at the National Examination Council, our cybercrime teams, and DCI, and the total multi-agency team, that the fellow who has been running that particular site was arrested yesterday. And we are sure the fellow will be delivered in court today. And I would want to ask our parents, I would want to ask our teachers, I would not even want to say I will ask our students, because our students never follow and download these things in our social media, because by the time they reach social media, our candidates are already in the examination rooms.